Hi and welcome to another video from Apps Moment Academy. Couple months ago, approximately 3 months ago, we announced it regarding special feature calendar appointment CMC for your clients in 2.0 Builder, as you remember, that your clients can use this special CMC calendar system for booking and for scheduling stuff. And we got enormous feedback about this feature, and many of you asked us to add such appointment calendar system in 1.0 Builder. For that reason, we are super glad to announce that now this calendar appointment system is inside of 1.0 App Builder, and in this video I want to show you where you can find it and how you can use it. First of all, we added a special template, as you can see in with the name auto service, which already does have this online CRM booking system. And let me show it to you how to use it. So you select this one page template. So as you can see, now let's use this template. Let's click create. Okay. Now let's configure this later. Okay, and let's also click done. Alright, so we have this application template. Now click at edit pages, and you can find this page booking HTML, which you can edit. And as you can see, you have perfect one calendar appointment system with settings different one, as you can see, email templates, for example, regarding what to send when booking is successful, when it's cancelled, also messages by administrator. You can add different services, and here you will see clients. Okay, so this is a really great one booking CRM system. Now, for example, the question is, what if you would like to add such page to your existing application in 1.0, where you can find it? So all you have to do is just click at plus button. Okay, and let's scroll down. Okay, but actually it is better simply to search here by name, as you can see, and by booking, and you will find in native page types booking system, and you will be able to add this page to your existing application in 1.0 Builder. Alright, so now as you can see, you'll be able to use this great feature in all your apps in 1.0 Builder. Okay, this is it for this video, so thanks for watching this one, and in the next video we are going to provide you some more cool features and more explanation how to use them for your app business. Meanwhile, thanks for watching one more time, and have a nice day to you. Bye for now.